5 minutes, one trade, $1 million. Sounds impossible, right? But I'm here to show you how it happened and how you can build the mindset and strategy to chase results like this. This video isn't just about the money, it's about the process. Because if you chase the money without the method, you'll lose every time. Here's the exact setup I used. A high volume breakout on a news catalyst, backed by institutional order flow. I entered with precision, using a tight stop loss and leverage position, but only because the setup had a 90% win probability based on my backtests. This wasn't luck, it was preparation meeting opportunity. Most traders fail not because of bad setups, but because of bad psychology. I didn't flinch when the trade moved against me for 30 seconds. I trusted my edge. Here's how I trained my mind to stay calm under pressure. I risked 1.5% of my account, not 50%. That's how you survive long enough to win big. Here's my exact formula for calculating position size and stop loss levels. You don't need $1 million to start. You need $100 in discipline. If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe. Comment below with your biggest trading challenge. I'll help you solve it.